Good evening.
Good evening.
What is the cause of getting problems? The cause of getting problems is irregular eating habits, very bad and hectic lifestyle. Number 3, irregular eating habits. Number 4, not keeping a track whether your body requires more heat or more cooling things. Our body is made of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. If you are having more heat in the body, you get headaches either on the left side or on the right side. It is termed as migraine. You may even take out an MRI, but the headache you will say will never go. I have seen people with headache taking medicines which are used to cure convulsions like sodium valproate to cure headaches which are caused due to heat in the sun or eating fatty foods or eating bhajia, gathia or doing pajushan. You know, nowadays pajushan is going up. Or do fasting, Muslims who are fasting for long hours. All the bile goes into the head and then they start vomiting. Then when they eat ice cream, headache becomes better. There is lack of glucose in the brain. So one is keeping your stomach empty, acid base imbalance in the body. So regular food in regular intervals at a given time is important. And the food that quality that you eat must have proper acid and base balance. How should the food have proper acid and base balance? Tel is said to be acid, ghee is said to be alkali.
You mean acid-alkaline balance?
Acid and alkaline balance has to be there. Tel is said to be acid. All non-veg food contains more acid. All green leafy vegetables contain more alkali. Oranges, sweet lime contains more acid. Khatta cheese contain more acid. So if a balanced pattern of alkali and acidic food is maintained, you can make the stomach lining where HCl is produced more in cases of acidity. You can make the stomach wall alkaline by consuming more alkali food. So what is important is, what is alkali food? Potato is an alkali food, carrot is an alkali food,
All vegetables.
all green leafy vegetables, or kalingar. Fermented food hai, that should not be taken. That is more acidic. Now, so to eat as much as your stomach requires, but a little less than that is important. And to respect your digestive system. Not to eat जब मन पाया, इधर से एक पैक मार लिया, इधर से ये ले लिया. Nowadays what happens, we even drink. We are used to social customs, eating outside and everything. So control and balanced diet does not go into a stomach. It is because of this 70% of diseases happens. Many diseases also happen due to eating allopathic medicine. For example, you are taking some Gelusil you are taking. Gelusil contains aluminum silicate. Aluminum silicate causes constipation. You are taking Combiflam. Combiflam causes acidity. Each and every medicine has a side effect. Now you will say, how can you say allopathy has side effects? Allopathy has, in emergency cases, allopathic is useful 100%. Is homeopathic so effective as allopathic? Yes, homeopathic is very effective as allopathic when you give the medicine every 2 hourly. As to make dal, you require namak, dhana jeera, haldi. At the same time, to make your digestion proper, your eating habits, your lifestyle has to improve. Proper intake of homeopathic medicines have to be there. Now, when you are having constipation, you will have a question, should I take anti-constipation pills every day? My answer is no. You must see to it that you start taking vegetable soup with lot of ghee inside, or take milk with ghee and shakkar inside, so that something that will make the stomach, the lining clear and the contents can be pushed outside. What you are doing when you are taking Dulcolax or anything, it is creating contraction in the
Like inside.
in the anus
intestine,
and the intestine, and the food is being pushed out. Why many piles cases are coming repeatedly to us? Because constipation and heat in the stomach is not being cured. You must have heard that many piles patients are being repeatedly operated, yes or no?
Yes.
Fistula patients are there, fissure patients are there. Fissures
It
mean
reoccurs. Yeah.
fissure is because it cuts at the anus. Cut is because there is more heat in the anus. If heat is not treated and you are treating the end result, how will you the main cause be treated? So in the stomach there is a play between acid and base. So for the play of acid and base, you need to see that you take more of alkali food, not in a hush rush. Whatever you start eating food, you say this is prasadi of God. Or if you just chant Om Namah Shivaya or what your God's name is, vibrations of that will go to the food. And definitely the quality of food that you are eating is energized by God's name. Even the water that you drink. Suppose we all, 5-6 people, all people present here today, make it a custom that you will energize your food with God's name, whichever God you believe. The quality of result that you will get on your stomach lining will be higher. The vibrational frequency will be much higher and the disease level will start going down. Because getting diseases in the body is the play of immunity level going down and the play of disease level increasing. So if by chanting God's name the immunity level will increase, what will happen to the disease level? It will automatically go down. This is experimented by me in patients. Even when I said that put knee joint in the sun, if people put knee joint in the sun, they will not require my treatment ahead. Within 2 months they will be alright. Even the shape of the legs are being changed with exercises, putting heat in the sun for knee joint problem. Or even if you are having digestion problem, you look at the sun and you talk to the sun that I have this problem, will you help me to cure? Something or the other starts happening because this is going to the pituitary gland and it's going to all the chakras in the body. The heart chakra, the Nabhi chakra, all the chakras, the rays are being going. Now, your question will be how much intake of water should we take? Water should not be taken immediately after food. Empty stomach, you can put water in tamba vessel because it contains copper and acidity complaints become less with tamba. So on empty stomach that can be taken. Then one thing that I say, sabja you must be knowing. Sabja you can put in, you can put in kacha doodh, put Duke soda inside. Duke soda, sabja, Duke soda, sabja, kacha milk and Duke soda, sabja and ruabza. So that will become a mixture of faluda. And that faluda if you take will reduce the heat in the stomach. Now many people are having tendency to diarrhea when they become nervous. What is happening when they become nervous? That chemical passes on to the intestine and the intestines go into contraction, expansion, contraction, and stomach stools are being expelled out. Then for diarrhea you will take Imodium, but any emergency problem comes up or any emotional factor comes up, the person goes into digestion problem. Or I don't know whether you have seen that all people who when they get nervous or exam fear they get vomiting. Have you seen?
Yes, it happens. Extreme.
It is the anxiety in the brain that goes to this. So that is why I have said that when you take a paper and pen down everything on a paper, definitely that emotion will pass on to the paper. And if you imagine suppose you are chanting God's name for 10 minutes. अरे 5 minutes भी नहीं, खाली 1 minute तुम लो ना, 5 minutes तो बहुत लंबा हो गया भगवान का नाम, नहीं? आप लेते हो 5 मिनट?
कम ही लेते हो.
तो वो ले लिया and you are energizing yourself that my vomiting has completely stopped. I have no vomiting and normally I am going to write the paper in the exam with God's grace and I am thanking God for the same. You will see that repeatedly if you are going to do this act, say for 7 days, 10 days, on the 15th day really your vomiting quantity will become less and it will disappear because you are energizing that thing with
Mental force.
God's energy.
God's energy.
So what happens? The contractions and all also can get all right. One question is that is natural medicine powerful, is homeopathic powerful or is allopathic powerful? How we get addicted to all antacids continuously but still our digestion problem is not cured. Many people have gas problem. Gas they cannot pass downstairs or if you press any part of the body they get gas. Have you seen that? Many people have spondylitis but you will see you will press that part they will pass gas. Spondylitis doesn't need treatment, gas has to be treated. Now when gas has to be treated, food habits have to be treated. Food habits have to be treated. Everything has to be counseled in the mind. When everything is being counseled in the mind, then the dietary changes come up. Have you heard about irritable bowel syndrome?
Yes, that is completely psychological.
Irritable bowel syndrome is completely psychological. So in all these cases, wherever psychology comes, if you take a pen and paper and write down, 100% I promise you, your problem can be solved. You have the power to remove the fear, to remove the tension, to remove the anxiety from your mind by writing a letter to God. My dear God, I am facing this problem. When you will start writing only, the solution will come in your hand. Did you understand?
Yeah.
We have covered up acidity, constipation, diarrhea, Vat, Pitta, Kapha we have covered up. What are your questions for digestive system? Tell me. I will be jotting a few medicines and telling you also.
Sometimes what happens?
This Ruy Afza, कच्चा दूध, सोडा है, you mix it all.
Mix it, mix it.
सोडा भी सब ना.
ड्यूक का सोडा, दारू में सोडा डालता है वो सोडा.
Only these three items.
And अंदर सब्जा डालो.
Sabja and Ruy Afza also.
But Ruy Afza contains sabja, no?
No. Ruabza is that red rose syrup.
It's a bottle में. अच्छा ये sometimes the stool becomes hard but in solid forms and sometimes not like irritable bowel syndrome. Sometimes it is smooth, sometimes it is sticky. So is it a body problem or emotional problem?
Difficult to say.
अच्छा.
Whether it is a body problem, you have to see if it's an emotional problem. For example, one of the case studies we had done, a child was appearing for the exam but he always used to vomit. Vomit to the extent उसको IV लगा दिया. IV किसका? ग्लूकोज का. पढ़ाई कल एग्जाम है 2 दिन पहले उसको IV चढ़ा दिया. फिर GI वाले के पास जाके आया एंड साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास जाके आया. साइकेट्रिस्ट वाले ने एंटी एंजाइटी जेपिस दे दिया दवा 0.25 mg. GI ट्रैक्ट वाले ने बोल दिया अपन एंडोस्कोपी करेगा, नीचे से ऊपर से एंडोस्कोपी, नीचे से क्या करते हैं? सिग्मोइडोस्कोपी. करेक्ट. कि ये सब क्यों होता है, ये दवाई खाओ. बट या गो बट नो वन काउंसिल द चाइल्ड कि भाई टेंशन होता है तो ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो. They were only running from doctor to doctor. So what was important in that case? If the child could have jotted down every points, then definitely there could have been a change. So it is very important that when any such issues come up, you need to check your emotions that are reflecting onto the digestive system. Problem you want to ask me? First I'll write down common medicines for gas. NV is Nux vomica. colchicum, antim crude, and carbo-veg. All 200 power. 1 gram bottle, 40 number pills.
The last one is carbo, right?
Carbo veg.
या ये सब मिक्सचर हम ले सकते हैं दिन में 2 बार. सब दवाई को एक टोप में मिक्स कर देना, 4 बॉटल बन जाएगी, उसमें से 5-5 गोली दिन में 2 बार खाना.
All in 10 to 100.
ये निकाल दूं, चलेगा अभी?
हाँ चलेगा.
Bottle,
Either
1 gram bottle is 40.
1 gram is the size. Now constipation. Nux vomica, alumina, bryonia. Phytoleca. सब 200 पावर.
ये टूथ पास करने के टाइम पर
हाँ
थोड़ा प्रेस करने के बाद टिश्यू ना डाला जाए.
हाँ, तो क्या करने का, थोड़ा घी लेने का, कॉटन लेने का और नीचे लगा देने का. रात को सोने के टाइम पे घी लगा देने का. और काफ़ी टाइम क्या होता है, हमारे बॉडी के अंदर हीट ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस होता है, इसके लिए वो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. तो ज़्यादा रस वाला चीज़ लेने का, वेजिटेबल सूप, ग्रीन कलर का मूंग आता है वो.
All 200.
ऑल 200.
That is for each quantity how much?
5 pills सबको मिक्स करके लेने का.
5 pills.
हाँ, 5 pills twice a day. Now for diarrhea, antim crude 200, pulsatilla 200, antim crude 200, pulsatilla 200, podophyllum 200. Antim crude, pulsatilla, podophyllum. Coffea cruda. Sub 200 power. This is for diarrhea. You can put arsenic alb also.
Arsenic alb.
200. All to be taken 2 hourly along with electral. Then add this apple dadam khichdi.
To keep yourself hydrated.
Yeah. Then for acidity, Kali bichromicum, antim crude, Robenia, Kali by 200, antim crude 200, Robenia 200, Nux vomica 200.
Kalim by 200, Nux vomica 200, Anti-Fruit 200,
Robinia and Nux vomica.
Rubinia 200.
And Nux vomica, full.
2 pills too early. Okay, I'm rubbing it out.
One minute. Leader.
Rubinia 200, na? And Nux vomica
Nux
also.
vomica, 200.
This is for acidity. 2 pills only.
Yeah. Many times we get abdomen pain. We have Macphos, MP, Colosinth, Ferrumphos, F I'm writing, Ferrumphos plus Nux vomica, all in 30 power, 2 hourly.
What is it called? Colosin.
Colosinth, Ferrumphos and Nux vomica.
Colosin.
Hmm.
Abdominal pain. All 330, na?
Abdominal pain may be for anything, na? Any other thing, how we judge.
This is I have given for spasmodic pain. Now, very good question he has asked. Abdominal pain कब होता है? जब लिवर खराब होगा, जब जॉन्डिस की शुरुआत होती है तो हो सकता है. यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन होगा तो हो सकता है. फिर आपको डिसेंट्री होगा तो हो सकता है. रीनल कोलिक होगा तो हो सकता है. लेडीज को फाइब्रॉइड होगा तब हो सकता है. वो स्टमक में प्रेस करेगा. प्रोस्टेट कैंसर हुआ तो हो सकता है. ब्लैडर स्टोन होगा तो हो सकता है. गैस पेट में भर जाता है तो हो सकता है. वेरी गुड. कितना कवर किया आज स्टमक में? काफी कवर किया ना. अच्छा, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइनल ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन जब रहता है, जब पेट में फ्लूइड भर जाता है, तभी भी स्टमक पेन होता है. आया समझ में? पहली इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है? कोई भी चीज को बार बार होने से रोकना है. और कोई भी चीज रिपीटेडली अगर बार बार होती है, उसमें आपने कुदरत का हेल्प ले लिया एंड समथिंग नेचुरल का हेल्प ले लिया, डेफिनेटली there will be a change in your system. So it totally depends on you whether the same problem is coming. Are you looking at it and doing the same thing for its result, or you are changing your plan? If you change your plan, definitely there will be some. If you are changing your plan, what there will be?
Lifestyle.
Lot of changes will happen. So it is totally up to you to revise the way you are living your life. And when you bring a change into your system, definitely your symptoms also will change. The suffering of the body will become less. What is happening when allopathic medication is taken? You have to take the medicine repeatedly till the problem exists. One patient came to me having gas. Doctor told him take Pentocid throughout life. But variation in food was not told. I introduced homeopathic. The problem existed, but the frequency became less. He was getting gas every day and stomach pain. He used to take Rantac, Pentocid. I started giving in homeopathic and Himcosid acid. Himcosid is another medicine which is Ayurvedic of Himalaya Drug Company. Himcosid syrup. 2 teaspoonful 3 times a day.
This is for what?
For acidity, gas. So what happened? द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम बिकेम लेस. तकलीफ तो होता था बट द इंटेंसिटी बिकेम लेस. अभी उसको रोज होता था तो हफ्ते में 5 दिन होने लगा, फिर सेकेंड वीक में हफ्ते में 4 दिन हुआ, ऐसा 2-3 महीने में कंट्रोल में आ गया और 4 महीने में पूरा निकल गया. अभी आप बोलेंगे इज होम्योपैथिक स्लो या इज एलोपैथिक फास्ट. मेरा कहना है कि जब जुलाब बुखार 105 होता है तो भी होम्योपैथिक हम लोग देते हैं, और अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी 105 बुखार में बोलते हैं तुम स्नान ठंडे पानी से कर लो, और ज़रूरत पड़ी तो इंजेक्शन भी लगा देते हैं एलोपैथिक का, क्योंकि हमको साइंस की होशियारी नहीं मारनी है, पेशेंट के बॉडी को क्या ज़रूरत है वो देखने का है. आप समझ गए? सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट ट्रीटिंग patients like that in that way and cooperation and faith of patient is there, definitely you can be saved. Now the whole story is like this. You must be knowing Ravan. Ravan, when he was being killed, was at the feet of Rama. When he was at the feet of Rama, he got moksha. Do you know that? In spite of doing so much, he got moksha because he was at the feet of Rama and because he was enlightened at that moment. That is why. So if you are hands in hand with nature, जो बॉडी का प्रॉब्लम होगा वो डेफिनेटली कम हो जाएगा और आपको तकलीफ महसूस होगी, बट उसका प्रमाण कम होगा. जो ये था आपका रामकृष्ण परमहंस, उसको कैंसर था, बट वो भज गोपाला करता था. बिकॉज वो भज गोपाला करता था, उसको कैंसर का दर्द कम महसूस हुआ. कैंसर रहा शरीर में पर कम महसूस हुआ. सो द एम ऑफ टेलिंग यू दीज 2 stories आर दैट व्हेन यू आर हैंड इन हैंड विथ नेचुरल फूड सिस्टम्स,
sync with nature.
एंड टेकिंग हेल्प ऑफ सम नेचुरल साइंसेस, जरूरत पड़े तो एलोपैथिक साइंस भी ले लो, किसी को कोसो नहीं, तो डेफिनेटली आपकी सिस्टम में चेंज आ सकता है. अभी आप बोलेंगे कैसा आता है, क्यों आता है? अभी माँ के स्तन में दूध क्यों आता है? पानी पिया तो पेशाब क्यों होता है? आँख की पलक ऐसा होती है, वो क्यों होती है? अरे बाबा वो अपने आप होती है. बच्चा कैसा फॉर्म होता है? अरे बाबा सब अपने आप होता है. तो जो अपने आप होता है वो ही कुदरत है. तो उस तरह से पूरा विश्वास रख के कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, आपने देखा होगा काफी लोगों को कैंसर है, आप देखते हैं कि वो उसको मिट जाता है कैंसर. आपका कौन था क्रिकेटर? उसको कैंसर मिट गया, उसके सिस्टम में विल था, साथ में विल डिटर्मिनेशन, उसके साथ खुदा में पूरा विश्वास. तो जो उसकी करुणा रहती है, उसकी करुणा पूरी आपके ऊपर आती है और वो मर्ज हो जाती है, इम्यूनिटी लेवल बॉडी का बढ़ जाता है, पैथोलॉजी बॉडी की चेंज हो जाती है. तो ये पूरी स्टोरी जो कुछ है वो एनर्जी लेवल्स की है, टोटल एनर्जी लेवल्स की है. और आप जो फूड खाते हैं, अभी आपको ये मंत्र दुनिया में कोई नहीं करेगा, फॉरेनर भी नहीं बोलेगा कि अगर आप 3 जन जो भी खाना खाए, आप जो भी हैं, आप भी आनंद जी खाना खाए, उसके ऊपर 5-6 बार ओम नमो शिवाय या ओम नमो हरिअंताणम बोल दो और खाना खाओ, तो देखो उसकी मस्ती क्या रहेगी. कोई भी मंत्र बोलो
दिल से.
तो उसके वो वाइब्रेशन वाले खाने से जो आपकी बीमारी की जड़ होगी वो अपने आप कम हो जाएगी. बिकॉज फाइनली व्हाट इज डिजीज? Disease is a play of energy where pathology is created either due to eating bad food or inborn आपको genetic मिलता है, high blood pressure, diabetes, emotions. आपण हे असंच करतो, पण जेव्हा तुम्ही त्या मुळाला पकडलं, त्या मुळापासून पकडलं, you speak Marathi, no? Then what happens? Then you have the power to change it. So the power to change the diseases is within you. How much can you depend on medicines to help you? It can help you 30%. Your determination to help yourself will change the pathology of the body. Do you agree with me?
Yes, I agree.
Or you don't agree?
We agree.
So if you have any pathology of stomach, you can tell me and we can do follow up.
Now pipes also will come in this.
Yes, yes.
And what is the homeopathic this for pipes?
I will treat you free of charge. Come to my clinic, I'll give you. We will take you up as an experiment and produce after 1 month. Again, we will take lecture on senior citizen and digestion problem. After 1 month, you can speak that how do you feel. If you want, we can do that.
Yes.
So it will be a good
Example. Yeah.
a good example. I will only take consultation charge from you, but I will not take medicine charge. Medicine charge will be from outside. Okay, you will be cured within 3 months. Sure.
Somebody else.
No, that somebody else को अपने आप देखने दो. अगर आपका है तो आपको बताता है. वो कहता है कि कृपा जब तुम खुद अपने पे करोगे तो कृपा बरसेगी. दूसरा चाहता भी नहीं है कि मेरे पे कृपा हो, तो वो कृपा अटक जाएगी. नहीं समझे आप?
सही बात.
कृपा अपने आप आ रही है, बट आप कृपा लेने को ही तैयार नहीं है. तो आप किसी के लिए पाइल्स का मेडिसिन पूछ रहे हैं, बट वो लेने को तैयार नहीं है, उसको इसमें बिलीफ ही नहीं है, तो क्या करेंगे? उसको उस टाइम तक छोड़ देना चाहिए. जब उसकी पीड़ा असह्य हो जाएगी, वो खुद आपको बोलेगा व्हाट एल्स कैन आई डू. व्हेन ही विल टेल यू व्हाट एल्स आई कैन डू, देन यू हैव टू एडवाइज. In our satsang, they tell us that only when someone will ask you advice, otherwise don't even speak your mouth. Because they don't need you. They are in their own
field.
Any questions about GIT, please tell me now.
You have covered almost all.
Any?
Only thing about parasites and all these things.
Yeah, we will tell you. See, methi is said to be very good to kill the worms in the body. And our homeopathic teacher,
Take flagyl or something like that.
flagyl is for dysentery.
Amoeba.
Flagyl is for this. They say methi. And one of my teacher, who was a homeopathic teacher, Dr. Prakash Vakil, he used to say that you apply powder at the anus.
Acha, methi powder.
No methi powder, normal powder. What you apply?
Talcum powder.
Talcum powder.
Okay.
So the roundworms that are there will get caught over there
Acha, easy.
at the anus.
At the anus.
This is what knowledge I have collected. I am
नहीं,
saying.
Overnight रात को लगाने का क्या है?
रात को लगाने का anus को. दूसरी होम्योपैथिक की मेडिसिन भी आती है वर्म्स के लिए, वो भी हम ले सकते हैं. बट द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट हैविंग रिस्पेक्ट फॉर योर internal organs and you start loving them, then automatically the functional level of that will change and completely relax and completely be one with your inner system.
He has done that for intestine. He has tried that experiment.
What?
Talking to his intestine. That
Huh.
he got the result within 1 month.
You can come here and share your experiment. Come.
I have got problem of this.
हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं आप. सर.
हाँ.
तो ये कॉन्स्टिपेशन का था,
हम्म.
कभी कभी नहीं आता था, 2-3 दिन भी नहीं है, तो लैक्सेटिव लेना पड़ता था.
हाँ.
अभी एक दिन इनका एक ये आया था, एक रिपोर्ट उसमें कागज
आर्टिकल था.
Article.
How talk to your cell.
हाँ.
करके एक मेरा आर्टिकल था ये.
हम्म.
तो उस दिन से मैं उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सोचना किया. कम से कम 10-15 दिन वो सेल से बात करने का कोशिश किया. बात तो होती नहीं, लेकिन हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट दैट सेल.
Intestine.
हाँ.
Cell of intestine.
तो वो कम्युनिकेट हुआ सेल को. और उस दिन के बाद when I go to the bathroom
हाँ.
and tell the cell of my big intestine and my anus,
हाँ.
kindly expel your stool, make a movement,
हाँ.
and relieve me the stool that has accumulated in your pipe. I also ask the NR to facilitate the easy exploration of this stool. And from that day onward, today now, I don't have the.
This is how long back?
This is what I have.
कितना दिन पहले?
कितना दिन पहले?
This is
कितना वक्त पहला?
Since 2 months. No, 3 months. आप जाके
See what is happening now. First, let us clap for him. What is happening that when you talk to that part, you are respecting that part, and the conscious level of that part is getting
And
jagrut.
He has thanks also. After passing, thank the organ also.
yes,
You have done a good job.
But did you?
I am thankful to you for doing your job and
But have you thanked? Was it Master Shah's this?
No, not Master Shah. I got one article how to talk to the cells of your organ
Yeah.
to function them well, like that. So I gave it to him.
Yeah. You can also ask forgiveness from them.
Forgiveness, okay.
Forgiveness also you have to ask. If you ask, please forgive me, I have troubled you a lot in this birth or other birth. Please forgive me and help me. I ask you to function normally. So automatically, definitely, it will pass on,
Your
and the
message is
problem,
passed to them, yes.
the problem will never reoccur again.
Because they are serving us for so many years
Yeah.
without any complaint.
Yeah. Okay.
in many